What's going on, guys? So this video today is, and this is a question I get often, is what title company should I use? And the simple answer to that question is, guys, a title company that is investor friendly. Otherwise, this is gonna be a tough go because there's title companies out there, guys, that do not understand assignment paperwork, assignment agreements. They don't understand what an assignment of contract, what a wholesale deal is. So listen, the answer to the question is any title company that is investor friendly, that understands assignment of contracts, and also, guys, I recommend if you get with a title company that is investor friendly, that's in your local market or whatever other markets, digital, virtual markets, whatever, use the same ones over and over and over. Now, the reason why is you want to build a relationship with your title company, guys, where you can third-party reference them whenever you're dealing with the homeowner and dealing with the seller. Now, the seller sometimes wants to know who you are and what you represent, and you can third-party reference the title company to the seller to build your credibility in the marketplace. And it's a very powerful technique to do that, because once they know that you're for real and you do 6, 7, 8 X amount of properties per month, and the title company is there to third-party reference you, that's going to give you more credibility whenever you're with the homeowner, whenever you're with the seller, and you'll be able to get that contract to be able to actually lock up that deal. So listen, guys, the answer to the question is, what title company should you use? The answer is any title company that is investor friendly, that understands assignment of contract paperwork, and use the same title company over and over. Build a relationship with them where they know you by first name basis, first face basis. They see you there all the time, so that way they feel comfortable referencing you to other homeowners and sellers. So that way it builds your credibility and it builds your altitude in the marketplace. All right, guys, click the link below if you like this content. We're gonna have many videos. The goal is to have 1,000 videos as fast as possible, and I'm hoping to have that by the end of the year, 1,000 videos by the end of this year, because I want to have a massive amount of value, massive amount of content for everybody out there. Please like, share, subscribe, give me some love, show me some love, like it, do the whole thing, man. Give me some input, some feedback. I want to know what you guys think. All right, guys, go out there, have an awesome day, and crush it.